Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, brown color, green color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A and use red color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C and again use red color. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, again use blue color and draw G. G for goat, G for glass. G for goat, G for glass. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and use yellow color. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids, again use yellow color and draw I. I for ice cream, I for ice. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king, and use black color. L for lion. Kids, again use black color and draw M. M for moon. K for kite, K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange and use brown color. O for orange. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for penguin. O for orange. O for octopus. P for parrot. P for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q for queen and use brown color. R for rose. R for rice. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids now draw S. S for sun and use green color. Green color. T for teacher. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. S for sun. S for snake. T for teacher. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van. V for vanilla and use red color. Red color. W for wolf. Kids again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. Yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. V for vanilla. W for wolf. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.